So here we are again. This is part 2 of a 6-part segment on natural teaching, hitting a home run. And hi, my name is Gloria, and I am your master teacher because this is a course based on mastering, not just learning, but mastering, okay, natural teaching. So we talked about the natural teaching. I defined it for you on the first segment, so I'm not going to go back over that. So just look for part 1 and you can go back. You can go over that. Okay, so this part I'm going to be talking about is the mind. Okay, remember we have those 4 body, mind, body, soul, and spirit, those 4 components that we need to work with all together to make the perfect, or to make the most perfect citizen that we can. And remember, I told you that I am 95% of a full package. So mind. So when I think about mind, I'm thinking about coping and I'm thinking about attitude. So when we think about coping and attitude, coping, I'm thinking coping, divorce, bullying, and things of that nature. And attitude is positive and negative. Your self-confidence. Education, our mind, education. And we need to right now concentrate on a paradigm shift. A paradigm shift, the way we think about educating our children. You know, they have instilled in us that we can wait until our children are ready for pre-K, elementary, or whatever. We can just let them, just be kids, have that freedom those first few years. And we need to change that thought so that our children will not be behind. That in fact, they will be ahead. So that paradigm shift should start now.